What's going on, guys? I just got a job to clear up a lot of the brush around the property, make it look nice, make it look open. So I'm here with the saw, and I'm just gonna do some cutting for today and maybe pull some branches out to the driveway. And then I'll come tomorrow with the truck and we'll load everything up, all the garbage on the ground, all the brush, everything, make it look nice in here. Okay, time to do the backyard, and there's a lot of problems with the vine maple. It doesn't take too much to come off, but there's a lot of it, so it's time consuming. And there's a bunch up on the roof around there. I'm gonna have to tell the guy to get a climber in here and come and do some of this stuff, because you can see so much of this vine maple all around. Not so much on this side maybe, but just all behind this, and then along the fence. And then there's a bit more in the corner there. Probably a bunch more in there, but yeah, it's too overgrown in here. So let me start cutting. So I did a big clean out here. Some tenants, they just trashed the place. They left all this stuff here. It's ridiculous how these people are living. You know, anything they consumed and they had a leftover container or something, they just threw it wherever. They had some type of a druggy TV room in the basement. There's some crushed up pills and spoons and stuff, and a TV and a table and a chair. Apparently the guy was giving the landlord a hard time. He was behind like months and months rent, and he was giving the guy a hard time. It's like, come on, you're in the wrong, buddy. Anyways, let's get it going. Get out here in the light. Okay guys, that didn't take too long. I'm almost done trimming. There's just a bunch of that vine maple right in the back corner, and I got to do the back wall and then a little bit up the other side. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for today because it's getting dark, and as a consequence of it getting dark, I hit the chain link fence a little bit with the saw, and it still cuts pretty good. So I mean, I'm not testing it on wood, right? I'm just cutting small diameter branches and it seems to be fine. So I'll come back tomorrow with some light. I'll get the ladder up and I'll get a couple more cuts higher up, and I'll climb up on the roof and I'll clean out all the eaves troughs, and bring the work truck in here and take out all of the garbage, all the debris, rake up everything, clean it up nice for the customer. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Okay, back for day 2. There's a little bit of trimming I just got to do around the edges, some spots I kind of missed. I'll do a couple of these Norway maples here that have grown in. I'll take down this dead end of the cedar, and there's another stub here. And then in the backyard, let's see, anything along here? Not really. Can't cut into that tree over there because of the fence. And nothing here really. There's some free firewood for me. A little bit of trimming along the edges, and I got to do the whole back row, and then a little bit on this side here. Black locust. Time to load up all these branches, and I got my neighbor Keith who just showed up to help me out, and he's helped me out before, and we're gonna just load everything, then we're gonna put the garbage on top, and then we're gonna take out whatever wood and metal is here, and I guess I'll just put it in the back because I'll come another day with the empty truck. How you doing?
Good, buddy. Yourself?
All right. It's branches time. All right, last piece. Nice and clean in here now, guys. I didn't do a perfect job, but he just wanted to clear out. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.